Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jay Jador, and today we're gonna do a sneaker unboxing, so stay tuned. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. So y'all already know I love shopping. It's no secret. I have an addiction. Not gonna stop. Never. Not gonna happen. So I was thinking to myself, like, okay, I need a new sneaker. I don't know what kind of sneaker, what brand. I was just on footlocker.com, just scrolling and scrolling and scrolling. So I came across these Nikes, and online they look real good. I was like, okay, that was different. I don't have this, this color in my collection, so why not add it? So I added it to my cart. I ended up purchasing it, and so I got the Air Max Bliss, and they are laser pink, white, and solar red. And this is what the shoe looked like. Okay. In Foot Locker, why did y'all send me some shoes with no paper? Ain't no paper inside. Ain't no paper wrapped up in the shoe. Ain't no paper wrapped up around the shoe. Ain't no paper or no tissue inside the shoe. What's up with that? I had to look at the bottom and make sure they wasn't returned. But they still look, they look new. They look fresh. Well, y'all don't do the paper no more? Or we recycling? Like, I don't know. But that's neither here nor there. But here's the shoe. And I was like, online it looks different a little bit. And when I'm seeing it in person, I'm just like, I don't know about this. So I was kind of hesitant if I should return it or not. But I think I'm going to keep them. Because the shoe, like looking at it, it's not that bad, okay? I think it's just this bottom part right here that's kind of like throwing me off. The sole is kind of throwing me off. But I don't know. What y'all think? Should I keep them or should I not? Comment below. Let me know. But yeah, so this is what the shoe is looking like. And when I tried it on, it is very comfortable. Very comfortable. And I love a comfortable shoe, honey. But like I said, these are the Air Max Bliss. And they were $67.99. Regular price, it was like $100 something. But I love me a good sale. And honestly, I don't even like paying for shoes over $100. I like to stick with the budget. You know what I'm saying? But and that's one reason why I got them. Because one, I don't have a pink shoe. And I was looking for, something colorful, something different. So I think once I get a look together, I can pull this shoe off. I really think I can. They do run true to size. Shipping was fast. Like I said, I ordered from Foot Locker. And I believe I placed my order Tuesday night. And today is Thursday. So the shipping pretty fast. So I'm just trying to decide if I should keep the shoe or not. What y'all think? Be honest. I don't know. I think I am gonna keep it. I don't know. I gotta sleep on it. I'm gonna keep them. Yeah.